Hello kids, let's learn about the ABCD and counting from 1 to 10. Let's start. A is for airplane. B is for basket. C is for cooler. D is for dish. E is for elephant. F is for fridge. G is for guitar. H is for house. I is for eyes. J is for jar. K is for kitten. L is for light. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for ostrich. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for hub. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yard. Z is for zip. Now let's do about the counting from 1 to 10. Let's start. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. 2, 3. Splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6. This is number 4. 6, 7, and 9. Swinging. This is number 5. Comes number 10 and every mother hen. This is number 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. This is number 7. This is number 8. This is number 9. 2, 3. Splashing in the sea. And the last is number 10. Naughty little chicks. 7. Now let's read them again. The 5. A, B, and C. We found D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now the counting. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, it's colorful numbers and letters. Bye-bye. See you next time.